Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your ExpressVPN activation code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we need to do is head on over to expressvpn.com. Now once you're here, you need to make sure to log into your account using your registered email and password. So from here, once you go to ExpressVPN, go to my account. Now it's going to ask you to sign in. And now once you're logged in, you want to go to the dashboard or my subscription section and then look for the activation code under set up your devices or download and set up. Then from there, copy the activation code. It's usually a 16-character alphanumeric code. Now, if you're using the ExpressVPN app and you're already logged into the app, just quickly open up the ExpressVPN app on your device, go to settings or help, depending on your device, then look for subscription details or activation code. And now if you're not sure where to use the activation code, so you need the activation code to log into ExpressVPN on new devices. So instead of using an email password, just simply paste the activation code in the app to activate your account.